Thank you for coming here today to watch one of our tutorial series videos. We will show you here how easy it is to change your address for your Get Ahead monthly subscription. Once you've signed in, you'll be taken to your @Cost Metals dashboard. From here, make your way down to the Coin of the Month section in the bottom left of your dashboard. Click the Update Settings button to be taken to your Get Ahead settings. It will take you to this page where you will scroll down to the Coin of the Month shipping address section. From here, you can update your address to wherever you would like your coin sent to. This change will not change your default shipping address in your profile. It's important to make sure all the details are accurate to ensure you receive your coin. Please double check the delivery address carefully. The information you enter here is where the coin of the month is delivered. A mistake here could cause delays and repeated shipping charges. Help us help you to get your coins delivered timely and efficiently with a perfect address. Finally, you'll scroll to the bottom and click the Update Coin of the Month Settings button. Not hitting Update will revert the address before the change. That completes the process. It's that simple. Thank you for watching @Cost Metals tutorial series, where we are committed to your savings and success.